Hi learners, today lessons about idiomatic comparisons. Number 21, as dash as wolf, as greedy as wolf. Next, as dash as grass, as green as grass. Next, as hard as stone. Next, as dash as crow, as horse. HOARS, horse. Next, as dash as fire, as hot as fire. Next, as dash as hawk, as hungry as hawk. As dash as feather, as light as feather. Next, as dash as thunder, as loud as thunder. Next, as dash as fish, as mute as fish. Next, as dash as mule, as obstinate as mule. Obstinate. Next, as dash as hills, as old as the hills, as the hills. As dash as kitten, as playful as kitten. Next, as dash as church mouse, as poor as a church mouse. Next, as dash as a peacock, as proud as a peacock. Next, as dash as thought, as quick as thought. As dash as lamb, as quiet as lamb. As dash as lightning, as rapid as lightning. Next, as dash as razor, as dash as blood, as dash as red as blood, as dash as razor, as sharp as razor, as dash as grave, as silent as a grave. Silent T. As dash as sheep, as silly as a sheep. Next, as dash as death, as sure as death. Next, as dash as honey, as sweet as honey. Next, as dash as an arrow, as swift as an arrow. Next, as dash as hare, as timid as hare. As dash as a monkey, as tricky as monkey. As dash as peacock, as proud as a peacock, or as a vain a peacock, as proud as a peacock, as tough as wool, as warm as wool, as tough as kitten, as weak as kitten, as tough as snow, as white as snow. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share to your friends. Thank you, all of you.